All right, are we live? See if we get anyone in here early. How we doing? How's the market doing? All right, are we back? Are we back? As soon as I started the live stream, my wife was still here. Let's see, I gotta get the screen back up. That's so unfortunate. All right, let's see if we can get this going. I didn't want to pop it up. I want to put it up. Come on now. All right, someone just type a 1 if we're good. I think we should be good. All right, got 12 people in here. We've been live. Makes no sense why it does that right when we start the live stream, and it's been my Wi-Fi's been fine all day long. All right, we're getting it. Yeah, someone just let me know if you can hear me, you can hear the music, and we're good to go. Looks good on my end. Just making sure we're still up on YouTube. All right, we're good. All right, what are we looking at? All right, we got some 1s in the chat. I appreciate that. Sorry about the delay there. It is what it is. All right, now I got to catch back up. But yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. It's all going to... We'll see what happens tomorrow. What's up, Ken? What's up, Het Hog? How you doing, my man? Yeah, you haven't been here in a while unless you've been hanging out in the shadows. Look at dog on deck screener. Missed that one. Oh yeah, you asked that last night and then we did miss it. Now we got Jim talking about Crow again. The proposal to add 70 million coins back into circulation just flipped the vote. Oh man. What's up, Jack? What's up? Who else we got in here? Ken. YouTube has been messing with people's channels. I'm not alone. I wouldn't doubt it. You've been taking a break, okay. I started buying again. Yeah, I think I'm going to wait to buy in because I don't even know what to buy. All right, let's go look at dog on deck screen. What is that on? Is it on Solana or Ethereum? Solana. All right, come on, deck screener, you can do it. All right, let me pull up. Let me turn the music down a little. Is XRP a good buy still? We'll look at it. This internet threw me off for a second here. Now I'm trying to get my head straight. All right, share. Come on. But yeah, how you guys doing? Everyone hit the like button, please. It's going to help out a lot. Where am I at? All right. All right, deck screener is up and running. All right, let me check back. Doggone base Uniswap. All right. Dog. Is this a new coin or something? Dog on base and Uniswap. Basic dog meme. 7 months old, 300K market cap, not bad. Yeah, this is the right one before we get into it. This thing just come out, huh? What's up, Dookie? He says Cookie Dow. Cookie Dow at a good price. Alright, so it's just dog. So it's probably the first dog coin that we saw on base there. Oh no, that's the Doge NFT. Yeah, you're gonna have to be clear what this thing is. Dog. Yeah, there's so many different dog coins. Yeah, just let me know what it is and we'll look at it because we're getting behind. We'll come back to it. And of course my phone starts to ring. I'm trying. Alright. Crow. Velo, and then what did someone say? Oh yeah, Cookie Dow. Fallon Network. Alright, let's just get into this. Falla, XRP. Is XRP still a good buy? I wouldn't buy it. It already ran. because we talked about XRP buying that thing down at the bottom. So what is it doing? I haven't looked at XRP in a while. She's still holding up here. She's making higher highs and higher lows, holding this little new trend. What are we on the weekly chart? But just short term on XRP from the low to the high. Yeah, you're still holding bullish on this thing. I mean, it's curling up still. Nice double bottom here. XRP doesn't look bad. It's going to have another run, of course, but I mean, if we just take everything off the screen, you're still holding up well. If I could grab anything to save my... All right, I think we're back. Did it again. I don't know what to do. I almost just ended it. It just did it once again. Internet just went out. I don't know if it's the time of day or what. All right, we still got 24 people in here. We're what, looking at XRP, trying to look at XRP on the smaller time frame. I mean, just keep it simple on XRP. You're going completely sideways here. You're accumulating. So that it doesn't look bad where it is. As soon as it breaks over 330, it'll start going again. But that's exactly what you want to see. Low to the high, holding the 236 at about 215. Going sideways, getting ready to run again. And then, of course, XRP is probably going to $5, probably $10. You said Fala Network. I don't think we've looked at that one. Fala. Oh, maybe we did. Oh, that's good. Fala Network. Did you say it's at a good buying spot? I mean, it's doing what everything's doing. It's going sideways. It's starting to curl up at the bottom here. It's making the higher lows, so that's always good. What we'll simply do, you're down below the 236, so this thing hasn't done anything yet. But it is making the higher highs and higher lows, so if this is the bottom here, let's see what we got. Let's see if we're going to go a little lower here. Which it looks like it's going to be the case, depending on where we want to draw this at. You don't have to go lower. You're on the final support level. Tagging the 786 here. So I would say the bottom is in here. Any lower, I mean, you could come back down to the trend and drop still, but you just have to take that chance. It could drop 20% from where it is, but as long as you're over 12, the bottom looks like it's in. And if this thing's going to run up and make a new high, let me make sure we're live. Make sure we're good. Yo, what's up, DZ? What's up, Ugrow? What's up, Dustin? Yeah, we're gonna look at him. I got the internet went out twice now. But yeah, Fala Network here for this thing to run up and possibly hit the 786 on the next move, up to about 75 cents is over a 5x. Pretty much a 6x, 500% move up to 75. And if it's going to go to the moon, of course, the 1272 retracement takes you up to 3 and a 25x. But yeah, I would say the bottom is probably in on this one. But we've said that on many coins and they just keep going down, so what are you going to do? Res. Yeah, I'm trying to get caught back up. What did we say? We did Fala. So Roger. Yeah, I bet it is nice down there in Mexico. Oh yeah, Cookie Dow. Natix, what is Natix on? Alright, let me do Cookie Dow. Damn it. Some days it just does not pay to stream. It's just ridiculous. Alright, Cookie Dow. Yeah, I like Cookie Dow. Is she still bullish? Cookie. What are we doing on Cookie? Oh my god. Come on, dude. Cookie Dow is not really respecting anything. I mean, I drew this red box here because this is where you got stuck last time, and then we blew through it, back tested it. So, I mean, it's not in a bad spot, and it's starting to curl up here. The one thing I would worry about on Cookie Dow right now is possible bear flag forming. So it did back test, but we've seen this a lot lately, to where we're not bullish, and things they try to have this move here, but they end up forming these bear flags. I said bull flag, but I meant bear flag. So that could indicate you're going down. So all the only thing we can really do is just get a price to kind of watch to see. Yeah, you're down below the macro, low to the high 382, bear flagging. So unless you get back over 20, then there's a good chance you're coming back down. So if that happens, you're down below the 382, so that could very well have been the top for now, because you're about to fall off the table 35% if you don't get back over 20 and then up to 35. So to me, that kind of looks like the top. I don't think it's going to go back up right now. Cookie. Natix. Yeah, what is Natix? Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna stay with the current chat. If I missed anything, just repost it. Natic and H bar. Natix. Did we look at that one before? Natix. I guess we did. Natix Network. Yeah, I was trying to remember the coins we looked at last night that looked like they were bottoming out. I was going to try my hand at longing something, but I never did. What is this thing doing? What do we got here? From the ultimate high to the low, it came all the way up to the 786 and died. Now it's trying again. So I don't know why that's on there. Let's move that out of the way. Yeah, this is another coin here that I would never touch because it's just got these large wicks all over the place. Very volatile. Maybe good for trading. So if we keep it on non-log high to the low, you can clearly see 618 retracement got hit, wicked above it, hit the 786, and that was it. Came all the way back down to the bottom, and now she's trying again. So to confirm the bottom is in, you got to get back over 309, and then bullish once you get over 201 here. But it came all the way back down, so maybe it's going to go right back up. So a 17% move, and to be bullish, a 46% move. And then if this thing can ever get through the 618 at 2015, that's a 95% move. If it gets through here and you get a weekly candle to close above, hell, even a daily candle to close above, this thing's going to go to the moon, whatever it is. So do your research on this one. I don't know what it is, but it is apparently back down at the bottom and trying to stay alive. And where's this thing going? Okay, we're just going to delete that. So for this one to hit a new high on this chart would be the 1272. Oh, that's nothing. That'd be a 3x. So where is this thing going to? A penny? What are we at? 207. Maybe this thing's going to run for the top of the fib. New coin. I mean, if it's something, then we're at 307. Maybe it comes up to 207 and you get a 10x. Other than that, I really can't tell you where it's going. But newer coin. All right, let me get back over to the chat. Oh yeah, I did take notes on it, but I threw it away. I wasn't thinking and I threw it away. What's up, Eldor? What am I missing? Oh, we got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that. XLM price prediction. XLM. What's up, Rashad? Natix is a hidden gem, is it? I mean, if you look at the chart there, it hasn't done anything. Came out and it's been going sideways, so this is probably going to be a good play. It's probably going to go higher than the top here at some point, but I don't like the wicks on it, but the fact that it's just going sideways like that is not bad. Hasn't ran yet. Okay, so XLM and H-bar. Stellar Lumens, still trying to hold. Let's see. Yeah, people calling for the market's already over. There's no way. ETH hasn't ran yet, and these coins, XRP, Stellar Lumens, they had this initial move. They're pulling back, but ultimately they got to come up. They don't have to, but XLM I think is going up here to this 250 range. That's why we have this marked out. So if we end up having a bull market, then I think from today you're over the 618. You have a falling wedge in play here, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, after that strong move up. Looking on the monthly, and on top of that, you're in this large triangle pattern. So once this thing finally breaks out, it should fly. And by fly, I mean 8.5x up to this 250 range. Maybe it hits $4. If XRP is going to hit $10 plus, then XLM will hit $4 plus. And you could get a 13x out of it. But to stay bullish, you have to stay over this 618 at about 23 to 24. And that's kind of the same thing. I don't remember if H-bar was the one that broke down, but something ended up breaking down. Maybe it was Algo. I haven't looked at Algo in forever. Yeah, they're doing the same thing. I mean, right now, the fact that you had the move on H-bar and you're holding up here, there's really nothing wrong with it. Holding over the 618, that's the big price. As long as you're over the 618 on this one at 20, you're good. That's your confirmed move up from the down and sideways for the past couple of years. Yeah, and you're sitting right on the 236 right now. So over 1920, you're good. Over, you can even go down to 17 and still be bullish, but you're sitting on a 236 support at 23.5 at the moment on H-bar. So these things are just kind of going sideways, waiting to go again, in my opinion. So if you missed the initial move on XRP, XLM, H-bar, this is the time to be getting in, because I don't think we're going back down to zero. I think we're going up from here. Same thing with this. If those other coins are going to hit these crazy prices, then H-bar may hit $2. But the first stop here is a 5x, and possibly 180 to $2 would get you almost your about a 9x or so. But yeah, I think H-bar $1 to $2 is fair. And if it goes higher than that, then everyone will just say congratulations to the H-bar, XRP, and whoever holds these coins. All right, I got to get caught up. Velo will take off. What's up, Elliot? What's up, Moonwalker? Can you do Velo? Velo or Velodrome? DIA and Velo. Like I said, if I miss something, just chat it again. Back to work for you. Oh, have fun at work, my man. Res, what is Res? All right, Res, Velo. Oh yeah, Corium and Sologenic. I remember those two. All right, Res, whatever Res is. I guess we've looked at it before. That ticker looks familiar. Resno. Damn, we haven't looked at it since it broke. It broke and it's trying to get back alive. Just be careful if you're holding this one. That could be the move. There's going to be a little wick above this, former support, now resistance, and that's going to be it. She's going to fall off the table. So just keep that in mind. But when we pull this down, yeah, you got to stay over 2.7 on this thing. You have to get this candle to close. Let's see. 3-day, daily. Yeah, if you can get a daily candle here to close. 2 hours left. So 2 hours is it. If you get a close over that, then that's the bottom. Bullish over 4. Where's this thing going to go? Man, that's what I want to do. I want to catch something at the bottom and ride it up like this. Man. This thing's still bullish right now, huh? Maybe jump in on this thing real quick. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the market to have everything just have these green candles just spawning in all over the place, and I'm just gonna jump in for about 10 minutes or an hour. Let some multipliers take place. That may be the plan. Once I know we're bullish. So this one, if that's the bottom, and from where you are now, if that's it, and you think this thing's gonna hit $1.5 billion market cap up here to 67-70 cents, you'll get a 20x, about a 22x. Solo and Corium. Solo to the moon. Oh no, the top is in on Solo. Yeah, what are we looking at here? Yeah, it's doing what the other coins are doing. You could technically say after the strong move, I think we've said this before. I mean, XCN and so many coins are doing the same exact thing. Just this wedge pattern down of death at the moment, which is technically, from a technical standpoint, that is bullish. That's the kind of market structure you want to see, but it is kind of hard to sit through. So we'll see. You're down below the macro 382, so you need to get back over about 40 cents to be bullish again, and then you have to stay over the 0.5 at 25, because if you keep going lower, then you can't really say this is a wedge pattern. It's just going to turn into a descending channel and your death. But until you get back over the double 382, 35 up to 40, there's nothing bullish on it, and that puts in play the 618 retracement 236 down here. So you could drop 40% if you cannot get back over those levels on Sologenic here. And then Sologenic from here, if it holds over that 0.5 and doesn't die, if it can hit all the way up here, a 9 billion market cap, that's a 72x. But you have to get back over those levels. Corium, I think Corium was more bullish than Solo, wasn't it? Yeah, they're doing the same thing. Everything's doing the same. But that should be the bottom for Corium. You don't want to go any lower than the 618. I mean, we're trying to hold whatever you want to call this pattern, but this is it. It can't fall lower than 6.5. I mean, it can, but then it's not bullish at all anymore. Which are down below the macro 236. So if it does end up dropping 35% back down to 8, that should be the bottom. So if you're looking to buy this thing, now's a good time. Okay, are we back? Internet went out again. I can't believe this. What is the last thing you guys heard? Hopefully you guys heard corium and sologenic. Did you guys hear that? Oh man, she's still going. I'm trying to get this pulled back up for you guys. Res. All right. All right, we back. Hate having to keep saying that. What did we miss? Well, oh, is Res on Coinbase? Is that what's going on? Damn. All right, we still got 20 people here. Yeah, someone let me know. Did you guys hear corium and whatever the hell it's called? Yeah, the news headline says Trump's crypto summit, BTC, XRP, ETH, and Sol primed for volatile weekend. Yeah, I'm checking right now to see if I can buy Res. What is it on Coinbase? Oh man. So why is this thing pumping? If I buy in, is it going to go down? All right, get ready, boys. I'm going to put in the top here. Let's see. Yeah, did this thing just get listed on Coinbase or something? Coinbase. What's up, Bryant? Velo. All right, so I'm not going to go back over. You think Res is going to the 618 right now? Wait, is there a lot of volume coming in? Oh, damn, I can't look at volume on this chart. Let me get a different chart for Res really quick. Yeah, we're going to look at Velo. Just give me a moment. Res on Binance. Is she pumping on Binance? Oh, damn, the volume is coming in. Damn. Hopefully the internet doesn't go off again. So what is the damage if it comes up just to the 382 right now? Damn, that's still a 50% pump. Velo. I just do both Velos because I don't know if you mean Velo and Velodrome or Velo. Velo's, we keep pointing this out on Velo. It's trying to hold on for dear life. It's down below the 382, clearly in this rising wedge pattern, which is usually a bearish pattern. So I don't know if Velo's going to end up breaking down or it's holding up here. It needs to get over 1.8 and then eventually the top here at 5. So until you get up with a weekly candle and establish over 4.6, it's going to continue to chop around here. It's been doing nothing for a while. It just double topped. It came down. No longer bullish until you get back over 18. And it's starting to dip down at the moment, so maybe it is going to break down. If not, it needs to pump 220% back up to the top of the channel. Because it's only so far we can push the narrative to pull these things down. But you get the idea. But that's all I'd really say on it right now. It has to get back over this, and it has to get a weekly close over the 0.5. So it could come all the way back up 220% and then fall off the table, if it's going to do that. It may just be getting coiled up here to go to the moon, which is probably the case now that we're in 2025. It's probably just going to coil up here, break over the 0.5, and just shoot up with a large candle to some of these prices. So we'll stay bullish on it like we used to be. Yeah, an 8x just to get to the 618, a 30x just to get to the 786 out of here, up to about 45 cents. All right, let me look at this res coin. Res, let's see. I'm trying to get it set up here. I don't want to, oh man, I don't want to throw all my money at it. Maybe half. It's at 2.8, excuse me. Damn, 2.6 is liquidation. That's too close. Let me back off on the multipliers. Can you imagine if I 100x with $500 and it just went to the moon? Liquidation price 23. All right, I'm gonna be safe with it because I can't afford to lose this money. What's my liquidation? Come on now. You're slowing up the stream. Damn. All right. I'm in. Let's see. Damn. All right, let's go to the moon, Rez. I need some money today. Let's see what happens here. All right, I'm in. We're going to keep a close eye on it. What's up, Lord Zero? Cool. What's up, XEN, bro? Velo. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Yeah, if I missed anything, just say it. There's not a lot of people here. Sorry about your XCN bags, man, but it will come back. Yeah, I'm still holding the XCN. It'll come back at some point. I don't know if you're talking to me or not. Velo has yet to make an all-time high. If it runs, it'll be in price discovery. Do you know about... What is that? Oh, you're talking to Elliot. I don't know what that means. BLZ. BLZ. Didn't BLZ die? Yeah, we're just gonna have to stare at the res chart because I can't afford to lose money. BLZ. Oh, BLZ got a nice little bounce off the bottom. This is what we've been waiting for. Not the perfect, not the perfect of patterns here, but ultimately it's still making the higher lows. And it held. It's back over the 382, the 0.5. So maybe this is the shot. She's going back up to the top finally, which was a large move from the bottom. So this thing could still 5.5x from where it is to hit the top of the top trend here once again from where it is. Res. Come on, Res. I need I need a new computer. Alright, we still live. Hopefully the internet doesn't go down again. Yeah, I never did find that deck screener coin. I'm gonna close deck screener out because it's probably messing with the internet. Oh, not bad. I'm up $5.50. Yeah, I got that one. I'll get pulled back into the shadow realm. God, don't even say that. I barely got one little foot out the door. Not even. I stuck my finger out the window and that's about it. Alright, let me change this song. I sure don't want to put no bearish music on right now. Alright, anything else we want to look at? If I missed anything. What's up, Shadow Frost? Quick pump. I bought leverage. Because I don't plan to stay in that long. If it can pump up to the 382, I'll probably get out. I don't know. Let's see what happens. But yeah, you can see it on the screen here. Let me pull my end up. We're at 30 now. Let's see, where's the other chart? Yeah, it's pretty much the same. 9 pennies would be the 618 pretty much. It's just this one we can't see the volume, but the other chart you can. I don't know why it's like that. I guess because it's not an exchange. But the volume on Binance is 3.48 billion. It's not moving. It's just sitting here now. As long as volume comes in, we're good. Oh yeah, let's go down to the 15-minute. All right, we're back. That's the 4th time the internet has went out on me. So if it does it again, I guess it's the Shadow Realm calling my name or coming back down. I gotta keep restarting everything. All right, let me pull the screen back up. You guys are still staying here though. I mean, all right, are we back again? Hello. Okay, I think we're back. All right, is this coin gonna go up? Come on, Rez, it's doing nothing. It hasn't moved. It hasn't moved since I bought in. All right, Rez on the 15-minute Binance chart. Let's see what happens. $45 million in volume. Damn it, what the hell's with Blue Zell? Yeah, the Shadow Realm keeps getting me. It's unfortunate. 4 times already on the stream, and we're not even on an hour. And the internet keeps going down. I'm trying to get caught up on all this stuff, but it's always something. If you get a 2 to 3x with Rez, I'm happy. Yeah, I feel the same. Just double my money and I will be happy. We don't want it to spike up, a slow creep up. That would be nice if we go up. Oh, here we go. I'm up $25. I'm out. Oh, damn, I'm up $30 now. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we got 21 people in here still. I guess we looked at all the coins you guys wanted to look at, huh? We're all on, it's a Rez watch party now. I remember that day we did the XCN watch party. Hundreds of people showed up for XCN. I just hope this internet doesn't go out again. $19. Yeah, what are we looking at? Oh yeah, Rez. I mean, it still looks good here. We'll do like we did on the XCN. We put XCN on, I think, the 1 minute chart. Oh yeah, she's curled up on the 1 minute. All right, let me change the song real quick. I don't remember what our bullish music was. – Maybe this one. You missed your bag of XCN. Might throw $100 at it. I mean, she's bullish on the short time frames here. She's not really moving, but it's like you said, if we get a huge spike up, then it's going to sell off really quick and then it's over. So yeah, it's so crazy. Up the dollars and now I'm back down $8. As long as it doesn't hit my liquidation price. You know what? I probably should set a stop loss. Well, no, I can't yet. I gotta wait. What was the price on the 618? 9 pennies. Let me see how much I can make if it goes to 9 pennies. Wow. I just set my take profit at 9 cents. But of course I have a little peanut bag in it, so. What's up, CD? How you doing? Yeah, we're doing good, besides the internet went out 4 times already. Making it hard to look at coins. We looked at a lot of coins, but not a lot, like maybe 6. Oh, I forgot about Jasmine. Oh, we got the dip. Time to make a higher high now. Here we go. Damn, who's selling? Yeah, we'll look at Jasmine in just a moment. We'll just do it now since we're not doing nothing on the coin at the moment. It's just kind of sitting here. We got 26 people in here. If it did it. Oh man. Yeah, I need this coin to go up. I need a new laptop. I think it's my laptop. Because the Wi-Fi seems to be fine at the house. What are we looking at? Res. Well, let me go look at Jasmine real quick before we get res, because never know if it's going to go out again. But let me pull you guys up on the screen. Jasmine's holding like a trooper. Let me pull the screen up real quick. All right. I keep falling back down into the shadow realm. That's what keeps happening. Come on. Regular market buyers are coming in, guys. So volume is coming. All right, we can see now. Still got 20 people here. I don't know why this internet keeps going out. It has to be my computer. So if res pumps and gives me some extra money, I'll buy a new one. But yeah, Jasmine's holding up. Look at this. I mean, you're holding the 236 on the macro yet again, so that should be the bottom. I know you asked if the bottom's going to fall out on Jasmine, but oh man. What time is it? How long have we been on here? But yeah, if this is not the bottom on Jasmine, then the whole market's going down. This has to be the bottom. So it's up to you. I mean, not financial advice, but it's crypto. The bottom could easily fall out here. We could go down to some lower targets, which let me go ahead and pull that up. Just go from the bottom to the top real quick. We're just below the 382, it looks like. So it needs to get back over 1.8. We're pretty much right there. But it could always drop down. 618 retracement, drop 50%. I would think from just looking at it on the chart here, this should be it, and it should get a bounce. We should bounce back up. And maybe on the next bounce, Jasmine's finally going to come up here and break through 5 and hit the 0.5. So you're either going to drop 50% or you're about to pump. And do almost an 8x. Let's see. Okay, we're still good. What's up, Amsterdam? What's up, Joe? Joe, is that how you say your name? AST? What is AST? Yeah, a lot of those older coins, air swap. Like Gala's going to be a good play too. This one looks like it's doing what it did last time. It wicks down below the 382 every time, but it holds. So you are below it, but you got 3 days left to get bought back up over 5.9, 6 pennies. If you close below 6 pennies with a weekly candle, it looks like, yeah, weekly candle. If the weekly candle closes below, then that was it. But it looks like it pumped up and it's just getting accumulated here. So it's been staying over that level. So I would imagine it would do the same thing unless this thing is just done. If this thing is cooked, then that'll tell you with a weekly close. So 3 days left to see what this thing is going to do. A Good thing would be for it to come back down, tag the 618, and then bounce right back up at pretty much 4. All right, so if it does end up holding the 382 once again, where is this thing going to end up? Jeez, I don't know if it's going to do that. New high to $10 would be 170x. Maybe it comes back up to the 786 like before and does a 10x. Or 30x up to almost the $2 range. But I don't know what this is. I don't think it's going to hit $10. XYO, does it have a 30% jump? It depends on what it's at. A lot of things look like they have a good, they need a good bounce. Yeah, this just looks like all the other coins that pumped. Slow Death, XCN, and everything else. It looks like it's coming down to the 382. No volume coming in at all. This thing's just melting away. Yeah, you're down below the 0.5, so unless you get back over 1, it looks like, or 1, 2, it looks like 1's in play. So you could easily drop another 15% on this coin. And then maybe that's where you get a bounce back up. I gotta hurry though, because I think the internet's been going out, what, every 10 minutes or so? Yeah, Arrow and Velodrome aren't bullish anymore. They just kind of died. So the only good thing on Arrow is you're sitting on the final low to the high 786 support, so you would think this is the bottom also. So it's either the bottom on Arrow, it's sitting perfectly on the 786 on all these 3-day candles at 5.8, but clearly got right back stuck at the trend rather. Got to get back over pretty much 80 to be bullish again. Any kind of bullishness, you got to get back over the 618.382 here. So until Arrow gets over 80, it's possibly going sideways and down. Possibly sideways since it is on that final support level. But I would say not a bad spot. I mean, if I was going to buy Arrow ever again, I would say I would look at this and say the bottom is in. Even if it goes sideways here, it's going to give you time to accumulate. I'm screwed, down 25% now. Sounds like cut my losses on what, Jasmine? Res. What is Res doing? Is it moving? Come on. What are we at? Oh, we're at 32 now. She's climbing. Let me see, what am I up? Come on, keep going. That's not enough. I'm gonna have to keep a close eye on this tonight. But yeah, oh man. But yeah, we're gonna have to cut this one short. Wish I didn't have to, but I gotta go get some things taken care of. Yeah, when I get back, I might jump back on if the internet's running okay. Maybe I'll get back on later and Res is up at the 0.5. Res, what's the fib? Well, just looking at it here on the Binance chart, high to the low, we're over the 236, and she's slowly going toward the 382. It looks strong right now, so there's a good chance your next big resistance is 4, another 35% move. And hell, it could be like you said, it could be headed to the 618. Finally bottomed, and it's going to be do an XCN and whatever else, hit the 618, and that's it. So if I hold that long and this thing comes up and we're tagging a 618 and going a little above, I am getting out at about 9 to 10 cents. But she's looking good. An hour left for this daily candle to close over this, but it's looking strong. Volume is increasing. Yeah, I think the tariffs are delayed from what I read. All right, but yeah, just look out for maybe a stream later on. Maybe if this thing's still pumping, we'll get back on and watch it. But yeah, I got to go get some things taken care of. An hour stream. I know we went down a couple times, but it is what it is. And yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Maybe we pump tomorrow. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you guys coming in here. Appreciate the super chat. And as always, none of this is financial advice. And I'll see you guys either tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, and hopefully Rez goes to the moon for us. Peace out, everyone.